Here's an update on the tornado warning for northeastern Blue Earth County. That is continuing until 5 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., the line of thunderstorms keep producing tornadoes located along a line extending from near St. Clair to near Mapleton. They're moving northeast at 35 miles an hour, and the storms are radar indicated, and they will be near St. Clair and Pemberton around 4:45 p.m. And they were predicted to be near St. Clair and Pemberton around 4:35 p.m. before. So they have just slowed down just a tiny bit, but not much at all. They've slowed down by about 10 minutes, so about a tiny little bit have slowed down. There is still no update on the severe thunderstorm for Freeborn, Faribault, Steele, and Waseca. That might just expire. And be one of those ones that just it expires because it has moved out of the warned area, or there's no new updates because none of the counties really have gotten out of this storm cell yet. There have been no updates on this newer one for Lesueur and Waseca yet. And there is a flash flood warning as well for Blue Earth, Western Blue Earth, Northeastern Martin, Southeastern Nicollet, and Southeastern Attawan County. And at 4:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the water between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area, and flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. And the source is radar, and small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, and poor drainage areas and low-lying areas will also be impacted by the flash flooding. So there is a flash flood warning. So there have been a couple of tornado warnings and a severe thunderstorm warning. If there are any more updates on the tornado warning, on the severe thunderstorm warning, or the 2 tornado warnings, but there is an update here on the tornado warning for the Lesueur and Waseca. So let's talk about that quick as well. So at 4:42 p.m., they're still in effect for southeastern Lesueur and northwestern Waseca until 5:15. At 4:42, the line was extending 5 miles northwest of Waterville to near Elzen, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour, and is radar indicated rotation threat. And the storms were supposed to be near Montgomery at 4:55 p.m. They have sped up a little bit and are moving to Montgomery at 4:50 p.m. And other locations include Lake Jefferson, Kilkenny, Smith's Mill, Greenland, and Sakata State Park. So that is it for the storms update so far. There is Freeborn, Eastern Faribault, Southwestern Steele, and Southern Waseca until 5 p.m. for a 60-mile wind gust, severe thunderstorm warning, a radar indicated rotation tornado warning for northeastern Blue Earth. It's near St. Clair and near Mapleton, and it's going to be in St. Clair and Pemberton at 4:45 p.m. And a tornado warning for southeastern Lesueur and northwestern Waseca is 5 miles northwest of Waterville to near Elzen, and it's a radar indicated rotation storm. It's going to be near Montgomery at 4:50 p.m. And in other locations include Lake Jefferson, Kilkenny, Smithsville, and Sakata Lake State Park. So if there is a new severe thunderstorm warning for either these areas or totally different areas, the storm has moved out of these areas and moved to new areas, I'll let you know, and I'll give you an update on them. So, severe thunderstorm warning until 5 p.m., a tornado warning until 5, and a second tornado warning until 5:15 p.m. And if there is a new New severe thunderstorm. Oh, and there is a new severe thunderstorm for northeastern Goodhue, Pepin, eastern Pierce, and southwestern 9 counties. And there's a 60-mile wind gust. It's a 60-mile wind gust storm. At 4:45 p.m., a severe storm was located over Frontnet. We're talking about east of Reading. It's moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. And the location impacted include Durand, Pepin, Elmwood, O'Galley, Plymouth City, Stockholm, Frontnet, Weston, Sedgwick, Arkansas, Downsville, and Porcupine.